welcome to my Friday tip of the week. This week I wanted to show you super easy veggie pancakes that takes exactly 5 minutes and just a few ingredients. All you need is 1 sweet potato, 1 zucchini, 1 egg, half a cup of flour. I used garbanzo flour, but you can use any flour you want. I just thought that the garbanzo flour would be great because it would add protein to the pancakes. So you just mix it all up together, you add some salt and pepper, and then I will show you how to do it.